What's up, good people? I believe you're good. It's your girl Mariana, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. So today I'm going to show you how you can paint a monochromatic painting. That is use of one color, and I'm going to use blue in this case. And you are going to watch three pieces of art as I'll be talking throughout this video. So stay tuned and enjoy. Welcome to the voiceover, and I'm going to show you how I do or cut the canvas. Yeah, from my previous video, I showed you that I don't use big canvases. So yeah, that's how I do it. For now, I'm using an A4 size, and that or material I used as a reference so that I can know the sizes that a monochromatic color scheme. I know most of you are wondering what that is. Yeah, monochromatic color scheme is the use of a single color and then extending it using shades, tone, and tint. Yeah, so for the shade, you add the black or gray. Yeah, and then for the tint, you add white. Yeah, so that's the difference or the meaning of a monochromatic. As for this painting, you can see I've used a dark blue, there's a light blue, and then white. So for this, yeah, we can say like the lower part or the upper part is the shade, yeah, or the tone, yeah, and then at the middle, I'll have a lighter blue, which is the tint. Yeah, so here in Kenya we have a phrase that we use, tunasema mtu ametoa tint. So like when someone is dark, you see some people are bleaching themselves so that they can be light. I don't know why. I don't know why they don't like their color, but tunasemanga ametoa tint. Kutoa tint ni kutoa hiyo melanin so that wakuwe weupe. Yeah, so that's the same concept. Yeah, for to add white, you remove the tint. So like you remove the color or you make it lighter. Yeah, so that's adding or making it to appear brighter. Yeah. I know you might be asking yourself, is if monochromatic is the use of one color, how about use of many colors? It is polychromatic. Yeah, so you use different colors, yeah, in your painting or design. Yeah, you find that this color scheme is not only used by painters, it's also used by designers. Most interior designers, yeah, they use this color scheme, yeah, to design a house so that you can, because some people like to have a color scheme in their house, like they want white or black. Others will just want blue and then the shades of blue. White and black, you can have white, black, and gray. Yeah, so like tint and hue and tone. Yeah. Oh, before I forget, bear with me about the lighting. I was using the natural light, so sometimes the sun will misbehave and just disappear, and my piece will just be dark. So bear with me. As you can see, like right now, we have that beautiful lighting over there, but in the next video or in the next, is it slide? Yeah, you will see it will be a bit darker. Yeah, so bear with me. The sun was just, yeah, and like right now the sun is misbehaving and just decided to disappear and just go have some time with the moon and then maybe come back. So bear with me on that. And we are almost at the end of this video. I hope you have learned one or two things about monochromatic color scheme. And if you did, please comment below and let me know what you might want me to paint next or the color to use next, because I found this monochromatic color scheme painting thing an exciting thing to do. So let me know what you would like me to paint or the color that you would like me to use next time. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment below, and to give this video a thumbs up. Bye and see you on the next one.